Yo, 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 yo. How we doing, everyone? Welcome back to another episode, another trading day with yours truly. Welcome back, Mahir, Bill. Good to see you. How we doing? So I took one trade pre-market a few minutes ago. It was a nice two-legged pullback back to the EMA. So I scalped one contract for 1 point and one for 2 points. Good morning from Alberta. So we had a nice little rally pre-market through the overnight. Looks like we're kind of having a break of structure right now. So we'll see if we do end up going down. But who knows? Anything can be in store for us in this market. Who knows? We do have some news coming in about 30 minutes, so just something to keep in mind. You're having a first entry, second entry long. Let's see if it fails and ends up turning down. It very well may. It looks like we have this leg down, break, new low. So it kind of is in no man's land. We're getting some support in this area as well.
Order submitted.
So let's see if we end up going a little higher. But we did officially have that failed second entry long because we broke below this bullish signal bar. So one leg down, break, second entry long. Now it's officially failing.
Order canceled.
Axe Pain. Mr. Lunary, we back. How was Toronto? How's Alberta? Tell me. Let me know. I want to know. You got your trade here. What'd you take? Failed second entry long. Nice. Definitely just sideways right now. We might be sideways until that news in about 25, 24 minutes now. So we could be getting a second entry long, first entry, second entry. We'll see how this bar holds up. But we are officially having the break. Test at the new low of this little short-term trend.
Order submitted.
And it might be a failed breakout that we're looking for.
Order submitted. Order failed.
So what I saw on this trade, we had this trend down, we had the break, new low, nice bullish bar. It's also a first entry long, second entry long. We are below the EMA. So that's 1 point of risk right there. And we didn't quite take out this low. So we'll see. We'll see if we get a higher low here and end up working higher. Okay, we need a few more ticks. We need a few more ticks. We need to basically, like I said, kind of have that push above the EMA. It always is a little riskier taking a trade directly into the EMA, but looks like we're going up. Okay, so we got our 1 point scalp. See if we can get our 2 point scalp as well. Okay, we need one more tick above the previous bar. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get that 2 point scalp? I guess not right now.
Top failed.
All right, and that's why we go for 1 point scalps usually. Tried something new. Because I did some back testing yesterday for the past couple months of trading. Turns out 2 point, 1 point scalps are It's very, very similar when it comes to at least my risk reward and potential profit. But sometimes, obviously, the 2 point scalps don't work out. Yeah, I could have went break even. I could have went break even. I don't know if I'm gonna be shorting just yet because it seems like we just had this down move and now we're having just the second leg to a new low. So I don't think. I mean, it's possible. It's possible we have some sort of downtrend like this. We do have some confirmation on the bottom. Now now we are getting some volatility. Five-minute looking nasty, Rev. Looking nasty. Yeah, news is coming out at 9:45 Eastern, and then again at 10 o'clock. I feel like we're gonna start working higher back into this range. That's what it looks like to me. So it is possible that this downtrend is coming into play now. So we basically just got rejected off the support I previously had drawn. How does that How does that background look? We got all the colors. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. Little lavender. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It doesn't look bad to me. Okay, so we're getting a nice higher low here. Could be a little trap though. Could be a double trap, or could be coming back into this little range. If we do come back reverse, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that short. Has a calming effect. It is calm, yeah. It's a little calmer than the white. White was a little bright.
Order filled.
Okay, so went short. It was a little bit of a double trap. Okay, this time we got our 2-point scalp. But basically what I saw, so we had a new low here, went up, tested the EMA. That was our first attempt to go lower. Then we came back again, had a second attempt to go lower, all in this bullish bar. Then we traded up again, and it was essentially, this bullish bar was essentially a trap of the second entry short. So it was a trap of the first entry, second entry. So the people who got trapped going short right here, they got trapped. And then the people who went long, trapping those shorts, then we trapped them again. So that's why it was a double trap right there. And those are the trades that kind of go down pretty quickly, as we saw. So I'm also gonna try to get back to using more drawings, because lately I wasn't using too many drawings, but I have to remember they're meant to help, not hurt. They're meant to help. So let's play around with the background again. Let's see. What is this color? This is thistle. Now we're getting a little too crazy with it. Burley wood. Tomato. There's too many. Salmon. Misty rose. Let's see. Peach puff. That doesn't look bad either. We're making a chicken curry sauce, a buttered chicken. Buttered chicken or chicken curry? What do you like? I freaking love Indian food, I'll tell you that. All right, so I think this downtrend is definitely coming into play, definitely intact. We had a few bounces on the bottom and the top. So until we have a major break, I'm not gonna think to go long just yet. But we'll also have to see what happens when that news hits in about 10 minutes. I feel like this background is not bad, right? Light gray. Light gray ain't bad. But you guys tell me. You guys tell me. It's good. All right, Axe Payne. I trust you. I trust you, man. Don't lie to me. Looks a bit dull. Man, Mr. Lunary, you said the other one was a bit bright. Now you're saying this one's a bit dull. You said you were indecisive here today when it comes to the market. What's up with you, man? Come on, bro. All right, we might get another selling opportunity here. New low, first entry, second entry short. Let's see. Not quite, not quite. Okay, so there's about 7 minutes till some high impact news. We shall see how high impact it really is in about 5 minutes. Or about 7 minutes. And I also got another question for you guys right here. Which one? All right, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. I'm gonna make a poll. I'm gonna make a poll asking which one's better. 1, 2, 3, or 4. You guys let me know. Which one's the best? They're super similar. They're just different colors. But nothing too interesting on the chart right now anyway. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want everyone here to vote. Find the difference. Which one's gonna have people click on the most? I have my vote. I'm not gonna say what my vote is until the end. That could be good. That could be good, Johnny. That could be good. One reminds you of tomato soup. Hey, tomato soup's not bad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know. We only have 9 votes. I want to see at least 20 votes in here. We got 20 people. We have 22 viewers. I want to see 20 votes at least. Okay. 4's winning. 4's winning. 4 and 1. Yeah, I get what you're saying, Johnny. You're right. You're right about that. You know, I make these myself. I'm an artist too. Just kidding. All right, looks like 4's winning at least with 11 votes. I said we need 20 votes, guys. Come on now. 4 minutes till the news. We got 4 minutes to get these votes in. That is true. No one likes red. We we got to see green. I know that. All right, we're working higher right now. So we had a failed second entry short just triggered. So right here, we had one leg up. Basically having a second leg now, but here, where we had this bearish bar, that was the second entry short. Now, it's failing. All right, looks like number 4 has won. At least with 12 votes. I thought we were all gonna vote, though. Thought we were all gonna vote, guys. Sticks are good. All right, 1 minute countdown. 1 minute. Un minuto. Ahora. All right, we working higher right now. The news just hit officially. And, man, we might be seeking new highs for the day. So I think we're definitely trying to make those highs of the day, seeking that liquidity. Let's draw a little trend channel going up here. All right, we got about a point away from the overnight high. So didn't quite hit that little point of liquidity. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it with the second entry long right here. We have this nice concise trend working up. One leg down, first entry, another leg down. Can we keep it going? Can we keep it going?
Order submitted.
Is it worth entering right here? I'm gonna wait. If we break below, it'll be another double trap. It'll be the little more powerful entry. So now if we break above here,
Order submitted.
that's where I want to go long.
Order
But
canceled.
we might just keep going lower.
Order canceled.
Yeah, so here's the double trap I was looking out for. So we had one attempt, first entry long, another attempt, essentially the third attempt to go higher.
submitted. Order submitted.
But no trigger right here. No trigger, no trigger.
Order canceled.
You're just watching the price, Johnny. All right, we'll see. Let me know if you get tempted to hop in the AM session. End up doing a little trading. That's how it works sometimes. And we're also having this range come into play at the moment. So it looks like overnight we had the move up, we had the break of structure, we had the attempt at the new high, and we could just be on that little downswing right now. $43.83.5 is the upside objective. There may be stops up there to feed the market to continue the downside on the macro. All right. I don't doubt it. Oh, 43.83. Where's that? Where's that on display on the big picture? Oh, okay. The high from a couple days ago up here. I see what you're saying. All right, I'll keep an eye out for it. Yeah, right up here. Right up in this area. I got you. Potential short opportunity right here. Off of the EMA. But we are just once again in the middle of this range structure we've been having, so anything right around this area is going to be a little risky. What do y'all think? We going to work lower? I think we shall. So we had that first entry short. If we get another attempt to go higher, then work lower, that's what I'm gonna be looking for.
Order submitted.
Yeah, so we break below here. I wanna take that short.
Order canceled.
But no great signal bar. Unfortunately, we still might be working lower. Still might be working lower. But I like to take those excellent signal bars. So, I mean, looking back at all the trades that worked out, they're all great signal bars. Excellent signal bar, excellent signal bar. This one, 75% of the way there. I mean, this one worked out for a little more than 1 point scalp, but looking back, we were working lower. I was playing essentially the midline as the low of the range. It is what it is. It is what it is. How we all doing? How we all doing in the chat? Got some new viewers in here? Let me know in the chat if it's your first time tuning in to the live. I'm curious. I'm curious. All right, and as we were saying, we are working down. We are working lower. So yeah, if this signal bar had been a little better, I would have taken that short. But as expected, so we had this leg down, we had the break. Now we're getting the new low. And once again, we're getting to the lows of where we have previously bounced. So might be time to look for some long opportunities. Where are we headed, Johnny? Can you tell us? You can always predict the future, man. Where are we going? Alright, so not a bad place to maybe go long here.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. We had this move down. We had the break. New low. Nice bullish bar. So I'm saying we are gonna try to work hard. Okay, we got our 1 point scalp. Can we get our 2 point scalp? That is the question. Can we go above the EMA? Can we do it? We might even
Submitted.
get a higher low, which I hope we do, of course. Let's see, can we work higher? We got semi-rejected at the EMA. We also had one leg down, break, second leg.
Order canceled.
It looks like our second contract might be taken out, unfortunately. But, man, maybe I should only be doing 1 point scalp, man. Tried something new, got burned twice already. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Is it possible that we have a downtrend that actually looks something like this? It's possible. Es posible. Yeah, so in reality, this downtrend was probably something like this. But man, if I had only been scalping for 1 point, it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4 0. Right now, I'm half of 4 0. Might test yesterday high. It's possible. I mean, we might come back and test the overnight low as well. We got a lot of room to go. We got a lot of potential price movement today. Yeah, so this is the sort of push up I was hoping for. Didn't quite get it here. But we're definitely at this support area. So could go up, could go down, but I at least want to see a failed breakout. Like I at least want to get below this low, have a little sideways movement, test that new low before I see us working higher, if we're going to work higher. So yeah, we're basically having that right now. We had a little slight break. Might come take out this low. There we go. And let's see if we start working higher now. Unless our downtrend is really like this, which it very well may be. Might just be like that. See, I'm not convinced we're going higher yet. No clear sign we're gonna go higher. What do you think, Johnny? You still out here? Tell me, what are we gonna do? Yeah, so as I was saying, I don't think we're going higher just yet. Like, look at this. Look at this chart we have. We might just start working our way back down to the lows again. ERP Media. Yes, sir. ERP is back in the house. Yesterday high tested to the dot. Where was yesterday's high? Yesterday's high or the overnight high? Yesterday 43.55.5. Okay, I see what you're talking about now. Yeah, so it seems like we're having a little overshoot of this downtrend. This is a little downward channel. All right, so we had an attempt to go higher. We had a slight attempt to go higher, went above the EMA, but now we're just being rejected again. But it definitely looks like an overshoot to me. You back to break even now, Rev? All right, good to hear. Good to hear it, man. Good to hear it, my friend. I thought you're always in the green though, man. Rev, I thought you never have any losing trades, bro. So if it is an overshoot, then it didn't respect the price action rule. Well, I mean, we still might get a break to the top side of this trend channel. You lost one trade 2 days ago. Other than that, you're 100%. I know it. I know it. So we'll see what happens right here, Mahir. Do we get rejected by the EMA or do we continue working higher? But we're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. Mamba FX, I don't know who that is. I have no idea who that is. Yeah, so now we're having that break at the top side. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see if we indeed start working higher right now. we shall see. But prices usually do follow exactly what I draw. So now that I have this little trend channel drawn, we're gonna bounce exactly here, come back lower, test the EMA, and then continue working higher. So we'll see. As I've drawn, we're pushing below. At least it looks like that. Nice job. Nice job, Jamie. Jaime. Okay, can we come back? Take a shot at that EMA. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to know. Come on now. Come on now. Give us something to work with. How we all doing? How we all doing in the chat? Let me know. If you're a new viewer, give me a little comment. Say, what's up, Moo? How you doing? How you doing, man? Let's have a little convo. How's my Apex looking like? We're basically a little in the red. What's up? What's up? How you doing, man? How you doing? Jamie? So one of the accounts is at 49,951. One of them is at 49,7. We're gonna start making it back though. Just wait. Just wait. Have to get the little cobwebs off of this live trading, man. It's not easy. Now that I got a few days under my belt, it's going a little better. But if I'd just been trading every contract as a 1 point scalp, I'd definitely be in a better spot. Might be a spot to buy right here. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. ERP. Mahir, it's not easy, man. I've been there. I've been there, Mahir. Look, now we got the poll telling us that number 1 is the best thumbnail. Even though we weren't looking at it again, but basically All right, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. Number 1 and 4 are neck and neck, but number 1 is winning. Number 1 with the red is winning. I thought you guys said you didn't like red. So if you haven't voted, let me know. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the best? Which one is the most beautiful? You guys let me know. Let me guess. Let's see some more votes in there. El Kautar Kamal. Number 3, this one. All right. There's still the poll going in the chat. I don't know if you see it. I'm gonna end the poll right now. Soon. But now we're exactly tied, number 1 and 4. Number 1 and 4 are tied. It might be a nice spot to take along. I'm thinking about it. But I think it's a little too sideways. The bars are very stacked. TT, I'm using Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader. Oh, you're talking about the thumbnails. Oh, that's a secret, man. I freehand it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, man. Yeah, exactly. I just pay some guy on Fiverr. Yeah, we're just very, very sideways right now. Very, very choppy. Man, I look like a freaking ghost on this live stream. I gotta get a new camera setup, new lighting setup if I'm gonna do this. Isn't that right? Trader is chick. Woo! With the winky face? I've actually missed you too. Are you traitorous or traitorous? That's what I want to know though. That is the question. That's true. Alright, and yeah, we're definitely just having this little choppy, sideways action right now. Let's see if we can get a breakout. But now we're finally touching the bottom side of what I've drawn. Yeah, so potential long right here. Second entry long. It would be a failed breakout of that little congestion. I might take this. I might take this right here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, we're in it. We're in it. We're in it. All right, we got our scalp. Can we get the 2-point scalp? Is it worth going for the 2-point scalp? We basically have to work above this little previous high. This signal bar here. Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on. All right, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm definitely seeing the market better than first day. Yeah, what's the opposite of dumpy? What's the opposite of dumpy? I don't know. I have no idea. Uh-oh. Now we're really going up. Now we're going up. Now I'm like, man, I could have kept my runner going. Thanks, Rev. Thanks, Rev. Appreciate that. But yeah, let's see. Okay, if I had a runner still in, what would have happened? What would have happened? Well, it depends if it would have actually went to break even after a 2-point scalp or 1-point scalp. Squeezy, it's looking squeezy. We got one of the loyal viewers. His name is Squeeze on YouTube. It's looking squeezy. But yeah, I mean, this is what really goes to show, if you do go for 1-point scalp and you are seeing the market right, like, you really can have very, very high win rates. Obviously, it's just one day, but every trade that I took did work out for the scalp portion of the 1 point scalp portion that I was going for. So obviously just one day, but good to see it working for sure. Well, squeezy kind of sounds to me like it's sideways, honestly. So yeah, if we had only been trading a 1 point scalp with both contracts, it would be nice little 5-0 day. But maybe tomorrow, maybe starting tomorrow, I'll do that. No more 2 point scalp, just 1 point scalp. But then again, it is just one day. So who knows what'll happen tomorrow. 1 point scalp and runners your plan. Nice, Toad man. Yeah, that's what I did a lot of times on these eval accounts, but unless you do hit a runner, it's kind of frustrating because you're just waiting for that one big runner. So it might honestly be easier on the mental side of things just to go for 1 point scalp, quick win, 1 point scalp, quick win, 1 point scalp. Michael Chin got sued. Why did he get sued? All right, so we basically had a measured move. If this is one leg, this is the second leg. Essentially 2 legs up. Well, 1 point is definitely a higher win rate, of course. But what I've been back testing is just trying to see what's more profitable. Like what does the math come out to? It's all about risk reward. All about risk reward. But also, going back to what I was saying when we were back here, remember when I had just drawn these two little lines? I said, what I draw always comes to light. And I did draw this, and I said we're gonna bounce perfectly at the top side of the channel, so just remember what I said. Remember what I said. Roll back the clip. Okay, and here we go. Here we go. All right, Rev. And now we're looking a little dumpy. Not very dumpy, a little dumpy. No news right now. No news right now. Just a little extra volatility. Dumpy. Dumpy. Alright, guys, we're almost at 900 subscribers. We're at 896. So if any of you watch and want to hit that 900, or help me hit that 900, feel free. Up to you, though. I can't force the issue. Alright, so we're having this little short-term correction. Maybe a little pink channel would be nice. Who knows? Salmon? Let's see. Ooh, not bad. Hit that like button too. Hey, traitorous chick. I don't know if you should trust the traitorous chick, but the traitorous chick is telling you to hit the like button. Squeezy and Dumpy trade. Hey, Rev, that's a good idea for you, man. Not a bad idea. All right, peace out, Mahir. Just saw your message. If you're still here. Okay, but I don't know if we're gonna have any real great opportunity in the next few minutes. It's time for me to take a break. It's time for me to get a little workout in, then reassess what we're looking like. But I might just call it a day there in trading. I mean, 5-0 on the 1-point scalps. 2 of them didn't work for the 2-point, but that's going to wrap up the video. Thanks again for tuning in to Moo Trades. Hope you guys have a good, actually an amazing weekend. And we'll see you on Monday. Peace out. Subscribe. Oh, also, 90% off Apex. So, if you guys are looking to get some evals, you really can't. It really doesn't get better than 90% off. So, peace. Jamie. Appreciate it. Rev. Have a good one. I'll see y'all on Monday morning. Zen out. Zen is out.